Hey YouTube, this is Derek M1970. Today I'm going to do a headlight restoration on this 2005 VW Jetta. Headlights are pretty ugly, pretty fogged up. Did some research online and these headlight kits seem to work. At least they work on YouTube. So I bought this kit for $29 at AutoZone. I hope it's worth the money. Stay tuned. Headlight Restoration Kit by Meguiar's. So here's what we have in the box. The polishing compound. Headlight protectant. We have 1,000 sanding pad, and then a 3,000 polishing ball that attaches to your drill, and microfiber cloth. Let's get started. So, gently buffing with the 1,000 grit sanding disc in a circular motion. As you can see, I taped off the border of the car so we don't scratch up any paint. This is just the first step. As you can see, the contrast between the headlights. Keep this sandpaper wet. Okay, first application with this 1,000 grit paper onto the 3,000. Here I am working the 3,000, again keeping it wet. Stay tuned. Okay, I just finished with the 3,000 grit sandpaper. You can see there's a pretty big difference already. Now I'll proceed to polish. Okay, YouTube. After polishing the headlight, this is the end result. I may hit it once more with the polishing. That's in direct contrast to the other side, which I haven't touched yet. Gotta say that I am somewhat impressed. 30 bucks. Onto the side. Well, here's the end product. Driver's side headlight looks brand new. Passenger isn't quite as nice. Looks 100 times better than it did. Can live with it. There you go, Meguiar's Headlight Restoration Kit.